going on, everyone? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can run Claude Code using Gemma 4 local model. So I'm going to use Ollama in this video, and we are going to see how we can set up Ollama with Gemma 4 and then use it in our Claude Code. As you can see right now, this is my Claude Code, and you can see I'm running Gemma 4 E2B model right here, and it's totally local. Now let's see how we can set this up. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to install the Ollama. So simply go to this website ollama.com and copy this command from here. Go to your terminal. I'm using the anti-gravity. You can use Visual Studio Code or the simple terminal, whatever you like. I'm using anti-gravity because I'm used to it now, and we have this file explorer here, so we can just use the terminal as well as use the file explorer. Nothing too special reason. Now let's paste that command right here, hit enter. You can see it's stopping my Ollama and removing Ollama and then downloading it again. But in your case, if this is first time installation of Ollama, you are just going to see this downloading Ollama for Mac OS. So let's wait for it to be done. And you can see the install is complete. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to install the Claude Code. So go to this code.claude.com. The link will be down in the description box. You can check it out from there. And we need to copy this command, this quick starter section and Mac OS/Linux. Copy this curl command and go back to terminal and paste it right there. Hit enter and let's wait for it to be installed. As you can see, the installation is complete. The Claude Code is installed successfully. Now let's go to our applications and search for Ollama and open this up. And you'll see this interface where we have this input field where we can send the message to our model. And here we can choose various models, and you can use the Claude models as well as you can download the models. So right now you can see I have downloaded this GPT OSS. I have downloaded this Gemma 426B E2B as well. So if you want to download any model, simply click download and then send some message, for example, hi, and it's going to start downloading this model. But I'm not going to do that. So in your case, go here and search for Gemma E2B or E4B, whatever model suits your specifications. So we can also come to Ollama models and we can search for Gemma 4 right here. And right here, this E2B and E4B, these are meant to be run on mobile devices, which means that they can run on lesser RAM. This 26B and 31B, you need at least RAM of 24 gigabytes for this one and this model. If you have 16 gigabytes of RAM, this one will run very good, and this one will also run very good. And you can also just copy this name from here, go to your terminal and say Ollama run, then paste the name of the model. And it's going to do the same thing. It's going to pull and download the model, but I'm not going to do that again. So let's just clear the screen. And Ollama now supports the Claude. So we can simply say Ollama launch Claude. And now here we need to choose the models. So these are the recommended models, and these are the ones that we have on our machine already downloaded. So I'm just going to choose this smaller one, which is Gemma 4 E2B. And this is the interface of Claude, which you are already familiar with. And this is the model that we are using, which you can see it's saying Gemma 4 E2B. Now this is going to be completely running on my local, so there won't be any API calls or anything like that. So let's do a simple test. Let's tell it to write a simple tic-tac-toe game in HTML. And you can see it's done generating the code. And let me just say yes to it. So that was just the HTML file, and it's now going to, I think, generate the CSS and JavaScript file as well. So here is the CSS file, say yes to it. And this is the JavaScript file. So I'm just going to allow it as well. So everything is done now. Let me just open up this index.html file. And this is the tic-tac-toe game. Let me just play it so you can see it draw. Let me try to win this time. Yeah, X has won. So yeah, this is working. And it's the smaller model of the Gemma 4, right? And it did a pretty good job. Yeah, this thing is a little off, but last time I asked it to do it, it did center it, and it was really good. But this time, I don't know, it messed up. But yeah, this is the first test of the Gemma 4, and it kind of works. Now you can use it for smaller tasks. You can break your larger tasks into smaller tasks and tell your local models to do them for you. You can use the paid version of, you can use the bigger models like Claude to draft a plan to solve your problem. And then for smaller tasks, you can use your local models as well to save the costs. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful. This is it for this video. And if you want to support this channel, the link to Patreon will be down in the description box. Go check that out. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.